All right, today we are just gonna get ready. I have my coffee, decaf. I put like a little tablespoon of espresso just to give me that caffeine boost, you know, that I really love. Today is 2024. We are not gonna stay in the house today. We're gonna go out, we're gonna do stuff, and you know where I wanna go? Barnes and Noble. Okay, I love reading. I haven't read like I used to, like back in high school and in college, but I want to get back into it, you know, like a little hobby to pick up. Plus, I just need to go to the Dollar Tree and see what else I can find. I might do a Dollar Tree haul, so just, you know, stay tuned for that. But we're going to go ahead and use the makeup that I did in one of my previous videos, what's in my travel makeup bag, and I'm going to do that. This will be a voiceover because I have about 30 minutes before I wanted to actually leave, so I'm not going to talk more. We're gonna drink this coffee as we get ready to go out today. I also got the TikTok going over here because I'm filming some TikToks. Don't forget to follow me there. I will put a link to my TikTok page down below. IG, I don't know, I'm kind of tired of IG, so I'm thinking about just deleting mine because IG is just weird now. But yes, TikTok is where I'm at if I'm not over here on YouTube. And once again, like I said, let's go ahead and let's get right into me putting on my makeup. All right, you guys, so we're going to start off with doing the eyes. And this is a look that I saw someone on TikTok make, and I love it. Thought it was so cute. So I'm just getting ready to go because, like I said, it's 2024. We're not going to sit around, you know, when we have nothing to do. We're going to go out. We're going to do things. We're going to meet people, and we're going to enjoy this life. So back to the video. This is actually a new palette that I got around my birthday, and it was the Morphe 2. I forgot the name of the palette, but it will be down below in the description box. But we're just going in the inner corner and the outer corner of the eye, kind of like that halo look that people do. But yes, I love it. I think it's cute. I'm kind of wanting to make it my everyday kind of look. Not every day, but if I'm just going somewhere, I want to do a quick little look. This is exactly the look I think I'm going to start doing. One thing I've been making sure to add to my routine is curling my eyelashes. I cannot tell you the difference that this has made with my mascara. So my little mascara, not even mascara, just want to the lash curler. My gosh, my lash curler is just from the Dollar Tree, and I really like it. And I actually have been going in with 2 coats of different types of mascara. First, I go in with the L'Oreal, I believe it's the telescopic or voluminous. I can't think of which one it is. And then the other one is going to be the Essence. I think it's like Lash Princess is what they call it. But I really love it. I just love the way they make them look so long and not really much fluffy, but just long. Kind of like that false lash, like you kind of put on a half lash. That's the look I have been loving with my eyelashes lately. And look at it. You can see, look at that left eye. Look at how that lash looks. It looks so good. Oh my gosh. So this has been such a game changer for my foundation routine, and it's going with a blurring, smoothing primer, and then go on top of that with a gripping primer. So you know me, I'm going in with e.l.f.'s Poreless Putty, and then I'm going to go on top of that with Milk Makeup's their gripping primer. I really want to do e.l.f.'s Poreless Putty with the e.l.f. their gripping primer because it's pretty much the same thing as Milk. And then look at that stickiness. Oh, see, that's what I need because I need it to last all day. And then, of course, I went in with my Fenty, I believe it's the Pro Filter foundation. It's the big long tube. Like I said, everything will be down below in the description box. But when I tell you, it makes everything look so smooth, and you can pretty much see how smooth it looks like right there on the screen. Okay, so this is a trick that I saw Miss Jaclyn Hill do the other day. I never really thought about it. So I just needed something to line from the top of my ear on down, and that's where I place my contour. I place my bronzer. Oh, I had a text message come through, totally messed me up. But like I was saying, so that's where I place my bronzer contour now, and I make sure not to really go below it. And if I do go below it, take a concealer, clean it up. And I love how it works. Oh my gosh. So thank you, Jaclyn, for once again teaching me a better way or another way of putting on my makeup. Okay, and right here I had this whole thing planned where I was gonna make a little video comparing Tati's Blendiful Sponge, and I finally got Elf's, I think it's their I'm not really sure what it's called, but it's definitely Elf's Powder Puff. Because you cannot like find those things. They're the hardest thing. It's kind of like Where's Waldo with those freaking sponges. But I was trying to do, a comparison on both sides, but they do the same thing basically. But I am a stan for Tati's, her Powder Puff. And this is where another thing that I saw that Jaclyn had said. So she took like a translucent powder and she powdered her face before she went in with her powder products. And that's what I did because I just love, because usually what I do is I'll put a cream and then I'll go over it with the powder. And then eventually I'll go over with just my regular powder. But I do like how it came out to where it's like, okay, I put on my cream products, cool, go over with a translucent powder, not too much though, because I don't want to look like too white or light looking because of the translucent powder, but I just go over with like a little sweep and then go over with the powder. Amazing. And it makes it pop even more. And one thing about me is I love my blush, but I have to go over my blush because I don't want it to be too crazy looking or too colorful on my face. So that's what I'm doing right now, going back with that same brush that I used to put on the translucent powder, and we just went over the blush and everything that we just did. All right, so that is the end of today's video. I actually had my hair curled and the curls unfortunately fell on this side, but there's still a little bit of, you know, bounce left to it. I actually like how it came out because it makes my blush and everything stand out so much. So thank you, Jacqueline, for some of those tips that you gave in your last video. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to follow, no, subscribe. Subscribe, babes, not follow. And down below in the comments, if you have any requests that you guys would like to see, just let me know. And I will see you guys in the next video. And once again, as usual, we're gonna put some previous videos on the screen so you guys can just binge watch and just watch a couple of videos of mine. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.